Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew. So I'm showing you what you did yesterday for your practice. The first one, of course, we did together, but in case you had some trouble, I wanted to show you what it should look like. So you have 4,000, right, plus 500, plus the 70, plus the 2. Okay, here you have 300,000, because that 3, the value of that 3 is 300,000. It's in the hundred thousands place, plus 90,000 from the 9 being in the 10,000s place, plus 2,000, plus 200, plus 5. There's no 10s, right? So that's you just skip that. And then this one was a long one. You had 7 in the millions place, so that's 7 million. Okay, plus 300,000, plus 10,000. That 1's in the 10,000s place. If you only have one 10,000, that's just 10,000. Okay, plus your 8,000, plus 200, plus 60, plus 3. What did you get for your mystery number? So I put, let's see, the digit in the tens place is a 3, so I put a 3 there. Also, if you need to pause the video to look at this, please feel free to do that. And then the value of the 10,000s place is 80,000. Okay, so that means if I put an 8 there, the value of that is 80,000. So that must be an 8. Okay, the value of the hundreds place is 500. So that must be a 5 for 500 because the value is 500. And the digit in my ones place is twice as large as 3. Well, twice as much as 3 is 6. So I'll put a 6 here. And then the digit in my thousands place is the same as the digit in the hundreds place. So that would also be a 5. So my mystery number would be 85,536. Okay? For today, you're going to be working on Wednesday place value practice. Okay? So this time, it's given to you in word form, and you have to write it in standard form. So as usual, I'll do the first one with you, okay? So it says 32,046,982. So I'm going to start with 32 million, there's a comma. Now it says 46,000. So I'm going to write it like this, okay? There's nothing in the hundred thousands place, but you need to put a 0. If you did it this way, 982, right? That would be incorrect because then you've kind of messed up the place value, right? Right? Because then the 2 becomes the hundred thousands place and the 3 becomes the million. So we want to do it like this. So you've got 32,046,982. Okay? So then you've got 3 more problems, actually 4 more problems down here. And then you've got your mystery number again, which I love to do. So this time it is a 6-digit number. So I would write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 place values. So you're going to have your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay? So there you have the setup. Good luck. All right, have fun, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.